Let me share with you how to make plantain chips at home and start plantain chips business and make so much profits in 2025 while doing it. You can also make this for your family to enjoy. Very crispy and delicious. Hi my loves and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make plantain chips either for commercial purpose or for personal purpose. So you want to start by washing your plantain and ensuring that it is very clean. Make use of your sponge and water to wash thoroughly. So while you're watching how I'm doing it on the screen, I'm just going to go ahead to explain to you how you can start this plantain chips business. Plantain chips business is the least capital intensive business you can start in 2025, and guess what guys, you're going to make so much profit while at it. Do you know that maybe if you go to the market to buy your plantain to start, you might want to buy plantain of 1,000 naira, right? And from just one finger of plantain, that's just one stick like what I'm holding, you'll be able to make back that 1,000 naira after making your plantain chips. In order to achieve this, you need to slice the plantain as flat as possible in order to achieve a crispy product at the end and also to have as much as possible. Then what happens to the remaining fingers of the plantain, you guys? That is so much money. Now this is the picture I took from a store very close to me of someone who is already doing the plantain chips business. You guys, as little as these plantain chips are, that's sold for 200 naira, and trust me, from just one finger of plantain, like I said earlier, you'll be able to get back the money you invested on that plantain. Plantain chips business is very lucrative if you know what you're doing and if you're serious about it. So after frying, the next thing you do is to package it in your nylon and drop them at the shops close to you or supermarkets where you can just be a supplier, right? You're not there, your business is moving and you're making so much money, right? As someone who is starting newly into the business, I would not advise you to start by branding your own nylon. You can start with the normal nylon for making moi moi, and you can also manually cut your plantain by yourself. And as your business grows and you see so much profit, you can invest by buying pan for frying, cutter for your plantain, and the rest of them just to make your business comfortable. But as a starter who does not have so much money to invest in a business or who is looking for a business to start, plantain chips business is the oil money that I'm recommending to you guys. So yeah, this is it. You can see how crispy it is. You can also make this for your family and they're going to enjoy it. In order for them to enjoy it better, you sprinkle salt before frying, and if you want, you can also sprinkle pepper on it, dry pepper on it, but that is very optional. You guys can make use of a ripe plantain and unripe plantain, but for this particular purpose I made use of an unripe plantain. I hope you guys found this video useful and you're going to try this or is able to answer the questions you have about starting a business in 2025. Thank you guys so much for watching my video and always being here and supporting me. I love you guys so much, and I'm definitely going to see you in my next video. You guys, can you see how the plantain chips looks? Oh my goodness, I'm looking forward to seeing your business this 2025, and I wish you the absolute best if you decide to start this business. Please give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment for me letting me know if you found it useful, and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you later. Very crunchy and very yummy. Bye.